everyone, I'm Christian Abrasaldo. Looking forward to telling you a little about my experience in the world of electronics, namely through my Bachelor of Industrial Technology degree. It's a fascinating and challenging field, and I like to give you an idea of the beauty and the difficulties it presents. What first attracted me to electronics was the magic of getting things to function, that you can play around with small pieces and build intricate systems that drive our world today. What's just amazing there is a great of feeling of satisfaction when you create a circuit, construct it, and watch it spring into life. Sure, it's not a smooth ride at all times. Learning about electronics is no different. There are challenges associated with learning about electronics. One of the largest challenges is keeping pace with the fast rate of technological change. New components, new software, new methods, it's a relentless learning curve. I recall our hobbies in audio battles using our own amplifiers, speakers, light controllers, and equalizer. In making disco music for any occasion, we cannot avoid the problems in the system, so we need to fix, and it connects to my course right now. So I'm eager to learn more for my future reference, but then I found that the trick was to start in little pieces, practice every day, and get assistance from my classmate, instructor, also my brother who can assist in our family hobbies. It showed me the need for teamwork and the worth of perseverance. As a Filipino, I hold the Filipino spirit of bayanihan, being able to work together toward a common objective. In electronics, it is working with others to help fix complicated problems and improve society as a whole. If you're thinking of having a career in electronics, be prepared for a rewarding but demanding path. Welcome the learning, engage the problem with discourtesy or resourcefulness, and never cease to innovate. Maraming salamat po and good luck on your future endeavors.